In this video, I will teach you how to create community in GoHighLevel. So in order to create your own community inside GoHighLevel, you first need to head over to their website. Go to GoHighLevel.com, and then once you're in there, you can either log into their application if you already have an account, or you can click onto this 14-day free trial in order to sign up to their trial and get some taste of their services. In my case, I already have an account and signed up already, so I'll head over and click onto this login option. From in there, you should be able to see in here either your launchpad or your dashboard. Now, if you want to create a community, you can scroll down right here and you can click onto this membership on your left sidebar. Into this part, you can see in here this. We have client portals, courses, communities, credentials, and Go Collab Marketplace. In this part, let's head over to communities right here and let's click onto these groups. Once you have clicked on this will actually enable you to your community. And as you can see, we do not have a community yet. So click on this, create a community. And after that, you should be able to see this. Enter it here your group name. So for example, let's put in here friends. This is just an example. You can see in here, edit your group URL. And for this one, just input right here your group description. It can be a brief description if you would want. Now you can also get discovered by millions of active users if you enable this discovery function. You can input right here your branding, you can add a fav icon, cover image, logo, and the likes. Once you have added those things, you can click on this create group right here. And after that, you should be able to see your community already added, and you will be redirected to that particular page onto the next tab right here. So this is what our community looks like. You can set a password right here if you would want. Let's set in here a password and let's input or confirm this and click on the set, and only people with passwords should be able to open in here our actual community into this part. So that's how you create a community in GoHighLevel. Hope we helped.